How to make a Bluesky feed. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom feed on Bluesky. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. Type Skyfeed in the search bar of Google. Enter it. Now open the Skyfeed website, and right here, we have the Skyfeed and service. The username here will be our username for Bluesky. Now here, first write the email address. Once we write the email address, then tap on this to get the password. Now it will open a new tab for us. In the new tab, click on Add New Password. This is all we want, and now it has randomly generated name for us. Retype the dimmed name, and click on this to create a new password. Now we have the app password. We need to paste this password in the first tab. So click here to copy the password. Come back to the previous tab. Paste the password that we have copied. And click on Continue. Now we have access to the Skyfeed profile. On the left, look for the feed builder. Click on it. Next, move your cursor to the Create Your Own Feed and click on it. Now it brings a lot of information. I will tell you how to customize it. You have the feed name, Hello World, clear it. You can change it to something else. Next, on the regex, you can delete this as well. Hello World here. Type something new. Go to the Input option. Under Input, you have Entire Network. We are going to click on it, and drop menu will appear. Click on Single User. To make a DID, you don't need to worry about this. Simply tap on Select Yourself. This generates your DID. Then we will click on Publish Feed here. A pop-up menu will appear again. In this, you can upload your avatar image. Under that, click on this. Drop-down menu will appear. There are 3 options. Select from them as per your preferences. Finally, click on Publish, and that's how you can make a custom feed on Bluesky. That's all for the video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.